Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing good. Today I will talk about the language cert reading test. This is test 1 and part 4, reading part 4. Usually we are given three words option. We can write three words in answers, but in this test you can read the text and answer the question. Use a maximum of 5 words for each question. For each question, we can use up to 5 words, not for all 5 words, up to 5 words. And this is the passage that we are going to read. And these are the questions. These are 7 questions. And in 7 questions, answer we will locate in the passage. Our first question is which part of the South America? They are talking about South America did Balboa is a person want to avoid. He wanted to avoid. There was a passage or any road. He wanted to avoid the Balboa. Uh, he wanted to avoid. This is the question. Now we will look at the answer. We find out the answer. The Panama Canal. This is the topic, and it suggests that they are talking about rivers, oceans, or canals. The Panama Canal is a vital shipping lane linking the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean, opened in 1914. It was one of the greatest engineering projects of the modern age. However, the concept of a canal through the Isthmus of Panama, a comparatively narrow strip of the land linking North and South America. Here we have found South America, and we will find answer here, had been thought of as far back as the 16th century when the Spanish explorer Vasco Nunez de Balboa, he was the Spanish explorer Balboa, led an expedition across the Isthmus of Panama in 1513. He led the expedition in Panama in 1513. He saw the potential for a passage. He saw that there is a possibility of a passage. He can make a passage, he can make a road or anything that would allow access from a sea to sea. We can go from one sea to another. There can be made a passage. So, to sea without having to navigate around Cape Hornet. He did not want to navigate around Cape Hornet. So, Cape Hornet is our answer. He did not want to navigate through here. Cape Hornet, the southernmost tip of the South America. It was the southernmost tip of the South America. So he did not want to go there. It means he wanted to avoid that part. We will write here Cape Hornet. This is our first answer, Cape Hornet. Second question is what was Charles V told about his plan for a canal? We will read. In 1534, Charles V, King of Spain, formally ordered further investigation into the possibility of the construction of a ship canal across the isthmus. The surveyed route followed to a large extent the course of the present day Panama Canal. However, the governor politely informed Charles V that the undertaking of such an engineering operations was impossible. The governor told the Spain king, that was Charles V, that this is impossible. What is impossible? Charles V, the undertaking such engineering operation was impossible. Now we will look at the question again. What was Charles V told about his plan for a canal? What Charles was told, he did not tell somebody, he was told. So he was told that it is impossible or it was impossible. He was told by his governor. However, the governor politely informed, it means he was told, the Charles V was told that the undertaking of such engineering operation was impossible. So our question's answer will be it was impossible. So the king was told it was impossible. This is the answer. It was impossible. Our third question is, what did Malaspina do to show the canal could be built? What did Malaspina do? What he had to do to show the canal could be built? He had to demonstrate something. Now we will read the passage. Not until the late century was the new Panama Canal construction project given much serious thought. This was when the historic 1789-1794 scientific expedition led by Alessandro Malaspina. Here we will find the answer. Landed in Panama by actually planning the excavation of the Panama Canal. Malaspina was able for the first time to demonstrate the feasibility for such a huge project. Here we can find the demonstration word. Here is the answer. Here we are going to read it again. By actually planning the excavation of the Panama. He planned the excavation of the Panama Canal. Malaspina was able for the first time to demonstrate. Then he was able, after excavation, he was able to demonstrate that this project is possible. We can do it. There can be built a canal. So what did Malaspina do to show the canal could be built? So he he planned the excavation, because we can write up to 5 words. That's why we have written 4 words here. He planned the excavation. Question 4 is, what made the crossing Panama easier in the 19th century? What there was a thing, what was built there that made the crossing of Panama easier in 19th century? We will find our answer in 19th century. So we need to read it further. So our land links continued on the Isthmus of Panama, facilitated by the construction of a railway in 1855. This is the 19th century, 1855. Our land links continued the Isthmus of Panama, facilitated by the construction of a railway. The railway construction of the railway facilitated that the link Isthmus with Panama. So, railway is the answer. Construction of railway. This is the answer. We will write construction of railway in our question number 4. Construction of railway made it easier in the 19th century to cross the Panama. Question 5. What important political development occurred in 19th century? Here we need to find out political development. What was it in 19th century? Uh, we just need to find out what was the political development occurred in 19th century, nothing else. Now, again, we will read it by here. By then, Panama was free of Spanish colonial rule, but the idea of a water route through Isthmus of Panama had not been forgotten. A new phase in the history of Panama Canal was beginning. Here is another answer. By then, in 19th century, Panama was free of Spanish colonial rule. This is the end of colonial rule for Spanish people. So here is a political development occurred in 19th century, that was end of colonial rule. We will write the answer end of colonial rule, or you can write colonial rule ended. Colonial rule ended in 1855. Now, question 6 is, How long did the French attempt at canal construction last? How long did the French attempt at the canal construction last? For how many years they have been building this canal? Now, in 1882, a French company under the renowned engineering Ferdinand de Lesseps, who had earlier built the Suez Canal, finally set about the construction. Their attempt was a disaster. Malaria and yellow fever killed most of the workforce. Equipment failed in the heat and humidity, and geological and hydrological considerations were badly managed. The project was abandoned in the 1889 at the expense of over 20,000 lives. There were 20,000 people who were died during the construction. We will find the answer in previous passage. Here it is written in 1882. A French company under the renowned engineering. They started in 1882 and they ended the project at 1889. It means they took 7 years. They mostly don't write these kind of answers. It took 7 years or 6 years. It will be too easier for you to find out. That's why they gave you two dates, 1882 and 1889, so you can guess or you can calculate how many years they had taken to build a canal. So they took 7 years to build this canal. We can simply write here 7 years, or you can write they took 7 years. It depends on you. What happened to the French company? Now, what happened to French company? Here we found out what happened to it in the next passage. The construction of Panama Canal would finally be realized when the United States, during the presidency of the Theodore Roosevelt, bought out. Yes, they bought out the French company. Who bought out? Roosevelt bought out Theodore Roosevelt. The construction of Panama Canal would finally be realized when the United States, during the presidency of Theodore Roosevelt, he bought the company. Here we will write USA bought the company. Yeah, Theodore Roosevelt bought the company. But what happened? The French company, USA or America bought it. You can write anything. USA bought it. USA bought this company. So these are the seven question and answer that we find out here. So I hope you have understood all the questions and answers. It was easier for us to navigate the answers. And inshallah, in the next video, I will do second test and we will start from the part one. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video. For then, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.